Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be starting a new unit over polygons, and for this first section we're going to be just looking at some properties. So for this first video we're going to go over some vocabulary, and there's going to be quite a few of it. So first we have a polygon, and a polygon is a closed plane. So that means that all the lines connect together, and it's a closed plane figure formed by 3 or more segments. So in other words, straight lines, so there's no curves, that intersect only at their endpoints. And so some terms that go along with polygon: side of the polygon, that is the segments that form the polygon. Vertex of the polygon, that is a common endpoint of 2 sides. And a diagonal is a segment that connects any 2 non-consecutive vertices. So non-consecutive, what does that mean? Well, that just means not next to each other. And so down here you will see a picture of all this vocabulary. So these red, those are my segments or my sides. When there's where the sides meet, that's my vertex. And then a diagonal is just going to connect 2 vertices that aren't next to each other, so like B and D. Another example would be from E to B. That would be another diagonal. And so the important thing to remember here is that a polygon has to first, well, 3 things. First, it has to be closed, so all of the segments need to connect to each other. So I couldn't have an opening here. They have to all connect. And then secondly, they all have to be segments, so straight lines, so no curves. And then thirdly, they only intersect at their endpoints. And then we can also name a polygon by its number of sides, and you can go ahead and write this down. This will be really important. We'll be using that today and for your next lesson and just throughout this of naming a polygon based on the number of their sides, so definitely write this down in your notes. These first few will probably be familiar, so like 3 sides, it's a triangle, and so on. And then maybe you didn't hear of like nonagon, that's 9. 10 sides is decagon. 12 is dodecagon. And then for any other number, we're just going to call it an n-gon. So let's say it had 16 sides. Then we would call that a 16-gon. That's it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to the next one where we'll be looking at some examples.